Hey there guys from YouTube, welcome to this, well, yes, I guess I can call it a playthrough, or a let's play, whatever it is, of X-Men Origins Wolverine. Yeah, I think it's quite a funny game. Even though I'm not that impressed with the graphics, it looks very cool, gameplay is awesome, and yeah, I just like it. As you can see, okay, drilled one of my claws into a person. Whoa. Whoa, lol. I didn't know I could do that. I'm sorry if I trip over any words. My mother's tongue is English. Hey, watch out! Dangerous playing with knives, swords, and stuff. I hope this video isn't gonna be deleted because of some stupid copyright, and if it does, I'll try to get it back, but I'm gonna be really careful. Because I don't want to mess up this account. Die already. If you want to know, this difficulty is normal. In order to play hard, I think you gotta finish normal first. And there are basically three difficulties: easy, normal, and hard. Your health bar in the top left, as soon as it goes empty, your vital organs will become vulnerable. So, come on. Oh, cute. There you go. Just learning a new skill, lunge. I actually played this game already, but I didn't finish it. I only played like
That must be my chopper.
just a few
I better see
an
how
hour or
Victor and
something.
the others are doing. Time to get to work.
Die. You know, I might be uploading a video every Saturday of this game, but I just cannot promise it. Because, you know, school is almost over, summer holidays are coming. That means that there are going to be a lot of tests. Bam. Die. Love it. Oh lol, look at the blood on the screen. That's it. Jump. Feral senses. Very nice. Not very useful right now, but okay. Come on, there you go. Whoa. The FPS is quite nice. Ooh, I love it. There comes the I love this part. You gotta see this part. Okay, just pay attention. Look what I'm gonna do right now. That wasn't too nice of you. Bam. Just bashing the mouse button right now. Look, 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 look. Oh my god, that's amazing, isn't it? I love that part. Okay, let's go in there. This is, oh, this part, okay. Whoa. Well, some people might find this hard at first, but you gotta know what to do, because it'll be very easy to kill him. As you can see, bam, that's it. That's all I had to do. So remember, just grab him and throw him onto that spike, and he'll be dead. It's that easy. Just do not try to kill him by slashing, because that won't work. That hurt. That really hurt. There we go, level 2. Hey, I was killing that guy. Leave me alone. Oh, I love it. Yes, there is actually a leveling element in there. Every time you level, you will gain some health, as you might have read just a few seconds. Oh, let's just kill that gun guy first. I hate guns. Whoa, don't kill me. There we go, my vitals are exposed, so I could die now. I won't, trust me. Bam. There we go. He is, okay. Now we take this dog tag from this dude. Just gonna rip it off. 500 experience. Where do we go now? Oh yeah. I remember. Oh, this part is fun. Oh, this is really fun. Bam! Now we can run through. This is amazing. I love this part. Bye bye. See you in hell. Go up, go up, go up, go up. Bye. Oops.